It looks like it's going to be clear tonight, so we are going to see something, I think. So it's going to peak around 2 a.m. If you look like southeastish, you'll see like a bright star, which actually isn't a star, it's Saturn. And just like below it and a bit right, that's the constellation of Aquarius. And there'll be a region there that is where most of the meteor showers will happen.
So I wake up at around 3 o'clock to get here on time in the morning. Is that my best chance to see it?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is one of the longer meteor showers, and it kind of stretches out for a couple of weeks, going into another meteor shower called Perseids in early August. So you should be able to see it over the next couple of days. You should have been able to see it last night, for example, as well. But the peak of it is 2 a.m.
You make such a good point, because as I left to get into work this morning, I looked up, and that's what we don't do. We rush around so much, but I looked up at the sky. It was a blanket of stars, and I just wondered, was that the beginning of what we can expect to see in the next few days?
Yeah, if you saw something moving across the sky very bright very quickly, then yeah, very likely. And there will be like meteors all the time, but meteor showers are just a high concentration in a small area. It's because the Earth is moving through like a trail of debris left by a comet. So every year it happens pretty much the same time, and it will always be in the same kind of patch on the sky, and there'll be loads of them.
Why are conditions so good at this point in the year, do you think, Dr. Lou?
It's not particularly at this point in the year that conditions are good. So we have like meteor showers every pretty much month or so. And there's big ones and small ones. So basically it's just moving through this path, and it just happens to be that Earth moves through this trail of debris at this certain time of the year. And if we're lucky in the UK and we get clear skies, which isn't often, that's when we'll get it.
What can we expect, or experts like yourself, astrophysicists, what can we learn from what we're able to see in the early hours tomorrow, tonight, in the next few days?
So I think general people won't learn very much, but if you're a scientist, you can learn about, for example, the compositions of the debris that it's passing through, and how bright it will be will relate to its size, the size of the debris, and the compositions of it as well. So there are things that like professional astronomers would be able to learn, but it's rare that like average people would come up with a great discovery from this, I guess.
But it's a sight for the eyes, isn't it? It can be breathtaking when you look up and view it, and you can see this with the naked eye, and that's what's quite important, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. It'll be so pretty, not to be missed.
So if people like you and me, you know, we get up quite early, but for others who don't, who are slowly waking up now perhaps, when is the next time that we'll be able to see a sight like this, a meteor shower so beautiful like this?
So obviously you can't see it in the day because the sun is bright, and right now in the summer it's bright quite late and bright quite early on as well. So you do have to really stay up quite late to see it. The next meteor shower is in early August. So that's the Perseids, which is a massive meteor shower as well. But yeah, try to stay up if you can. It'll be worth it.
Will you be staying up, do you think, to watch it tomorrow, tonight?
Yeah, maybe, yeah. Possibly. I stay up quite late, so I might be able to get it. It'll be better at 2 a.m. as well, because it's quite low on the horizon at midnight, so you want to stay a bit later on. Yeah.
Okay. Dr. Maggie Lou, thank you so much.
Thank you.